Good afternoon, classmate. My name is Daniel Castañeda. I talk about describing my life. Personal information. My name is Daniel Castañeda. I am from Iperuila, but I live in Bogota, in Located Bosa. My email address is pipe.clan@hotmail.com. Actually, I am operator of lathe machine. I am 24 years old. Personality. My favorite book is Gulliver Travel because for adventure and torture. Lilliput. My favorite food are pasta and seafood. The fish is very delicious. My favorite movie is The Wolf and Wall Street. The intelligent, the short. My daily routine as a student and employer, I wake up at 5 o'clock. I take a shower. I have breakfast and take a brush. I go to work in the bicycle. I start the work at 6 a.m. and finish at 2 o'clock. I arrive to home, I cook my lunch, and turn on my PC for studying all afternoon. At 7:30, I cook my dinner and continue with homework. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. My experience. My good experience, my father introduced me to friends of his Khaled and Andres, his paleontology. He invited me to perform paleontology with him and other group of visiting paleontologists. The activity was carried out in the desert Tatacoa. We arrived at the place of excavation and began in search of fossil and animal. The one found king of crocodile head. 10 classmate and teacher.